I just wanted to know within the entire stock market theme, what's looking good at these levels? We were just talking about how much BSE has risen so far this year. And, our chartist was just highlighting that it's still not looking overbought. So where is it that you find value on the table in the entire capital markets theme?
Okay. If you look at, say, BSE, actually BSE numbers have been reasonably good, but it is also on expectations of NSE getting listed. Because of you can say two reasons. One being that NSE being the bigger exchange, now whatever the prices you can say continue hearing from the unlisted market, I think NSE should command a reasonably good premium and P multiples given the kind of number scale it has got. But more importantly, if you go purely by the technical factors, once NSE gets listed, I believe it is going to be 4 lakh, 5 lakh crore or maybe even more, whatever market cap it is, and it will be listed only on BSE because NSE shares can't be listed on its own exchange. Now, once that bigger stock comes with all, you can say, I think it will be in FNO, it will be in indices everywhere, and I think the BSE volumes per se will get a boost significantly by the listing of NSE. So that is one. Now, as far as your value is concerned, I think till the time we get some listing from the NSE, BSE will continue to, you can say, attract investors. But looking at the broader capital market themes, which will include AMCs, which will include your wealth companies, broking, I think the markets have been good. The number of investors in the Indian markets has been going up. And I think barring the correction which continues coming from time to time, I think if you look at whether it is the wealth space or AMCs in particular, I think this is a space which can give you very secular returns from here on. But if you look at the rally of the last couple of years, will any significant re-rating happen in many of these companies, including some of the service providers like CAMS and all? I think many of the stocks are already trading at 3 times, 40 times. So while a significant re-rating might not happen, but many of these stocks still provide you a decent opportunity to make secular gains from here on.
Okay. So will that same apply for CAMS? Will that same apply for MCX? Will that same apply for other financial intermediaries also?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying, that a case of, say, a BSE or NSE, maybe it's a very different case altogether. But when it comes to others, which includes AMCs, which includes wealth, even some of the, you can say, CAMS and all, I think they have now reached the stage where it would be more like your secular returns because the re-rating potential in terms of P is very limited.